Happy learning!
Hello kiddos, let's write the letter N. Let's start. Start at the top and make a line down. Then go back to the top and make a line down to the right. Now make one more line back up to the top. Let's try it again. Standing line, slanting line. Again standing line up. Now you try. Now check if you did it right. Good job! Now you know how to write the letter N. Next time we will write the letter O. See you on our next video. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Like and share. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon.